Let us see some problems on laminar flow. The first question is, consider a fully developed steady laminar flow of an incompressible fluid with viscosity mu through a circular pipe of radius r, given that the velocity at a radial location of r by 2 from center line of the pipe is u1. The shear stress at the wall is k mu u1 by r, where k is what? So there is a circular pipe. This is along the length, and at a radius of r by 2, the velocity is u1. The velocity of the particle at radius r by 2 is u1. So at r is equal to r by 2, u is equal to u1, and also there is shear stress at the wall given. So tau w is equal to tau naught is equal to tau max. So we can represent it anyway. So k into mu u1 by r. So this is the shear stress given. We need to find the value of k. We know that wall shear stress is equal to, wall shear stress is given by minus dp by dx into capital R by 2. So tau is equal to minus dp by dx into small r by 2. The maximum, so tau naught or tau wall is equal to minus dp by dx into r by 2, capital R by 2. So that is the tau max. So substituting this and equating into r by 2 is equal to k into mu u1 by r. And so what can we do now? Yeah, and also another data is this one. So we know that u is equal to minus 1 by 4 mu dp by dx into capital R square minus small r square. So this is the velocity distribution. At r is equal to r by 2, u is equal to u1. That means u1 is equal to minus 1 by 4 mu dp by dx into r square minus, where it is u1, the velocity is u1 at r is equal to capital R by 2. So it will be r by 2 whole square will be r square by 4. So now minus 1 by 4 mu dp by dx into 4 minus 1, that will be 3 r square by 4. So we got u1. Substituting this u1 in this equation, minus dp by dx into r by 2 is equal to k into mu by r into u1. u1 is minus 1 by 4 mu dp by dx into 3 r square by 4. So minus minus gets cancelled, dp by dx and mu gets cancelled. 1 r, here r gets cancelled, this r and this r gets cancelled, and finally remaining is k is equal to 4 into 4 divided by this 2, this 3 goes downside, so 2 2s are 4, 8 by 3. So 8 by 3 means 3 2s are 6 and 2.66. So k is equal to 2.66. Let's see the next question. So the question is, the velocity profile of a fully developed laminar flow in a straight circular pipe is shown in the figure, is given by the expression u of r. This means the velocity that is a function of radius of the pipe, sorry, not radius of the pipe, which is a radius at any point. So minus r square by 4 mu dp by dx into minus 1 by into 1 minus r square by r square, where dV by dx is a constant. The average velocity of the fluid in the pipe is. This is simple. If the velocity profile is this way, minus r square by 4 mu. So if the velocity profile was minus 1 by 4 mu dp by dx into capital R square minus small r square. If this is the velocity profile, then we know that V average velocity is equal to u max by 2. So this is what we know. The profile given is the same profile. Just r square is taken out, dp by dx. If r square is taken out, 1 minus small r square by capital R square. That will be u. So what we need to find? The average velocity. Average velocity means first we need to find u max. U max, we know that minus 1 by 4 mu dp by dx into r square. So this is u max. Then average velocity is equal to u max by 2. U max is minus r square by 4 mu dp by dx divided by 2. That means minus r square by 8 mu dp by dx. So that means answer is option A is the answer. Next question. The velocity profile in fully developed laminar flow in a pipe of diameter d is given by u is equal to u naught into 1 minus 4 r square by d square, where r is the radial distance from the center. If the viscosity of the fluid is mu, the pressure drop across a length L of the pipe is. So this option is 16 mu u naught into L divided by d square. So here the velocity profile is equal to u naught into 1 minus 4 r square by d square. So first we need to check whether this velocity profile is the one which we derived or not. So our velocity profile is equal to minus 1 by 4 mu dp by dx into r square minus r square. This can be written as minus 1 by 4 mu dp by dx, r square taking out r square, that will be 1 minus r square by r square. So this is the maximum velocity. That means u max into 1 minus r square. R is equal to d by 2, diameter by 2. So that will be d square by 4. So 4r square by d square. So this is the same velocity profile that we considered. So now what is the question as? The pressure drop. So what is the pressure drop? Pressure drop, we know that formula, which is 32 mu VL by d square. So this is the pressure drop. So that will be 32 mu. This is V average. So V average is equal to u max by 2. So what is u max? Here u max is represented with u naught. So 32 mu V average, that is u naught into L divided by 2 d square, u naught by 2. So that is 16 mu u naught into L divided by d square. So first we need to check whether the velocity profile given is the one that we derived or not. If it is the same velocity profile that we derived, then we can apply this. V average is equal to u max by 2. So the option here is option D is the correct answer. 16 mu into u naught into L by d square.